My dear students, I hope you are well. I am going to take your 9th grade mathematics class today. Today's topic is rational numbers. At first, you have to know what are rational numbers. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. For example, 0, 1 by 2, 3, minus 5 by 7 and so on are rational numbers. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Since 0 can be expresses of the form P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Every natural number is a rational number. We can write 1 is equal to 1 by 1, 2 is equal to 2 by 1, 3 is equal to 3 by 1, so on. In each case, both are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So, we can say that every natural number is a rational number. Similarly, every integer is also a rational number. Since an integer a can be written as a by 1. Both are integers and q is not equal to 0. So, every integer is also a rational number. Now, I shall discuss about the equivalent rational numbers. Consider a rational numbers 1 by 2. Both are integer and q is not equal to 0. So, it is a rational numbers. Now, we have to find out equivalent rational numbers of 1 by 2. How can I find it? To find equivalent rational numbers, we have to multiply both the integers by the same numbers like is 2, 3, 4, so on. So we can write 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 into 2. Multiply by 3 is multiply by 3. 1 is multiply by 4. Multiply by 4, so on. 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. So, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are the equivalent rational numbers of 1 by 2. So, we can find any other rational numbers in this way. Okay. Now, I shall discuss about the simplest form of a rational number. A rational number P by Q is said to be in its simplest form if the integer p and q having no other common factors other than 1 and q is not equal to 0. A rational number is said to be in its simplest form if the integers p and q having no other common factors other than 1 and q is not equal to 0. Is the rational number 4 by 6 is the rational number 4 by 6 in its simplest form? How can I check it? To check it, at first you have to find out the HCF of numerators and denominators of the rational numbers. So, the HCF of 4 and 6 is equal to 2. Since the numerators and denominators, that is 4 and 6, having a common factor 2 other than 1, so we can say that 4 by 6 is not in its simplest form. To convert in its simplest form, we have to divide both the numerators and denominators by the HCF, that is O. So we can write that 4 by 6 is equal to 4 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 2, that is 2 by 3. In 2 by 3, the integers 2 and 3 having no other common factor other than 1. So we can say that 2 by 3 is in its simplest form. Okay? In this method, in this way, we can convert any rational number in its simplest form. Okay? Now, I shall discuss about the representation of any rational number on the real line. To represent any rational number, you have to draw a real line. Draw a real line xy. Take a point O on the line and let it represent integers 0. Okay? Now I shall represent rational numbers 2 whole, 3 by 5 and -1, 3 by 4 on the real line. How can I represent real numbers on the real line? Taking fixed length as a unit length, representations integers on the line. On the right of O, take OA is equal to 1 unit, OB is equal to 2 unit, OA is equal to 1 unit, OB is equal to 2 units, and unit BC have to divide into 5 equal parts. The unit BC have to divide into 5 equal parts since the denominator of the rational number is 5. So we have to divide the unit BC into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. This is P. Here BP is equal to 3 by 5 of a unit. BP is equal to 3 by 5 of a unit, and P represent 2 whole 1, 2 and 3 by 5. 2 whole 3 by 5. So the rational number 2 whole 3 by 5 represents by the symbol P. This is 2 whole 3 by 5. Okay. Now I shall represent the rational number minus 1 whole 3 by 4 on the number line. How can I represent? Look at the blackboard. Taking OD is equal to 1 unit and the unit DE have to divide into 4 equal parts since the denominator of the rational number is 4. For this reason, we have to divide the unit DE into 4 equal parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 M DM is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, and M represent the rational number minus 1 3 by 4. Since the left of O on the real line, so the symbol should be negative. Okay, in this way we represent any rational numbers on the real line. Okay, now I shall solve some problems related to the given topics. For example, find a rational number lying between 2 and 3. The answer will be the required rational number will be, at first we have to add these two numbers, that is 2 plus 3 and divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. This is the required answer. In this way we can find out just one rational numbers between two numbers. Remember that between any two rational numbers there are so many rational numbers are there. Okay? The next problem, find three rational number between 3 and 5. Three and 5, denominator is 1. You have to find out three rational numbers. Here n is equal to 3. So n plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we have to multiply both the numerators and denominators by 4. 3 into 4, 1 into 4. Similarly, 5 into 4, 1 into 4. So 12 by 4, 20 by 4. So we can write the three rational numbers are, you have to find between these two numbers how many rational numbers are there. You have to find three rational numbers. 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4. Okay? In this way, you can solve these types of problem. Today's discussion ends here. Finally, I want to say that stay home, stay happy and healthy. Thank you very much.